Hey guys, I'm still here at the Pointe in Ascension, and on this walkthrough, we're gonna view the Kingsgate model. This is built by Pulte and it is located in Summerlin South. It's a single-story home. It has 3,966 square feet of living space, 4 beds. That's a nice courtyard. 3.5 baths, 3-car garage, a den, a dining room, a game room, owner's retreat, optional oversized tandem garage, and an optional casita. It's a nice pivot door. Pricing starts at $1,825,000. Come, let's take a look. Nice high ceilings. To our right is the den. It's about 12 by 15 square feet. And that is the formal dining. This is about 11 by 14 square feet. So as you enter, so the courtyard, the front door, you enter, to the right would be the den, to the left would be the formal dining, and then opens up to the gathering room, your kitchen on the left side, and then that breakfast nook, Pulte calls that a café. Let's start on the right side. So you have your powder room here. Let's see, it's currently locked. Your garage entryway. What do we have here? Coat closet. And storage space with your vacuum cleaner and other stuff. Your laundry room. And your space for your extra fridge, your second fridge. Got your laundry room sink. What do they have here? It's a 1-car garage. Tankless water heater. So going back, we came from this hallway and going into the owner suite. This is about 14 by 17 square feet. Primary bath goes there, and your owner's retreat on this side. Owner's retreat is about 10 by 10 square feet. go to the primary bath. Your standalone tub, nice bright windows. Opens up the bathroom to natural light. Dual sinks right there and right there. Your walk-in shower, you got dual heads. Your shower bench right there. Your water closet. And your walk-in closet. Tons of space there. You have your linen closet here. Going back to the owner's suite. Laundry room, entryway to the two-car garage is there. Powder room. And the gathering room. Nice high ceilings. The gathering room is about 20 by 24 square feet. And the kitchen. And Pulte calls this area café. Café is about 14 by 10 square feet. And on this model, they opted with a dual sliding door on this side and on that side as well. It'll be really nice if this is open during the colder season, colder weather, if this is open and that's open. Let's go back to the kitchen. Nice kitchen island with waterfall finish here on the side. Tons of cabinets. Stainless steel kitchen appliances. Your undermount sink and your view of the gathering room, the backyard, the cafe. You put a mini bar there. Your walk-in pantry. Let's go to the backyard. You have a nice covered patio on this side. Remember, Pulte calls this area covered loggia. Nice full-size backyard. And that's the optional casita. Before we go there, you have a covered patio on this side. And this is on the side of the owner's retreat. Nice extra space. Let's go to the casita. They opted with a sliding door on this side and on the other side as well. So let's open one side. It is locked. I don't know if you guys can see it because of the glare of the sun. So I can't go there and show you the back of the house because the gate is locked. Nice area here for gathering. Just relaxing, especially if you have a pool. Let's go back in. Gorgeous mountain views up front. So that's the front door. We completed the right side of the house, and now let's go to the left side of the house. Formal dining again on this side. And this is the game room. And it's set up as a family room. It's about 17 by 12 square feet. This one you have linen closet. And another linen closet. One's not enough. Your third bedroom. This is about 12 by 12 square feet. I'm gonna stand in that corner so you'll see a different perspective of the room. Your walk-in closet. And your bathroom. At your quartz countertops, undermount sink, walk-in shower. So this bathroom is a Jack and Jill bathroom. That's one sink, and here's the other sink. Fabulous. And the second bedroom. second bedroom is about 11 by 12 square feet. And it's walk-in closet. Nice large windows, keeps the natural light in. Going back to the hallway, this was the second linen closet. The third bedroom is here. And then the Jack and Jill bathroom behind this wall. The second bedroom. The game room. And this bathroom belongs to the fourth bedroom. You have a walk-in shower there. And the fourth bedroom is about 12 by 11 square feet. Your sliding door closet is here. So that, my friends, is the Kingsgate model here at the Pointe, located in Ascension. These are built by Pulte, and this is the middle-sized floor plan that I've shown you. If you want to know more, please reach out to me at 702-565-7100 or through the links on the description below. And again, if you like watching these kinds of videos, please hit that like button and subscribe to my channel. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you on my next walkthrough.